So Sharika, if somebody there home and them say no, the whole store turn up loud, buck, and them want a number for call for all of them things. What's the number?
See the number them, yeah? Just call them number, yeah. Always available. Nadisha Fashion World.
Alright, RT Plaza. Right now, people who don't know, the sweet Shan, I go right down back in the countdown. And you don't know a countdown, we say, what were they? Nadisha Fashion World, shop number 9, RT Plaza. Boom!
Number 10 video is Laden and Benji, Google Bad Mind. Number 9 video is Queen of the Road, Leighton Miller. Crescenti holding down the number 8 spots. And the number 7 spot belongs to Honesty. Number 6 video is The Road by D-Mids. Watch them video.
Them say, after Valentine party, the 15th of February, right up at Pilly Black's place, and make sure the whole world come show them face. Because guess what? From the party for Shell, we're going over there. And from the liquor for Sell, we're going over there. Hey, Blacker, come take that something and talk to them.
People, you don't know Pilly Black's party, though. Pilly Black's Plaza at the door. 133 to 135. Olympic way. Don't know Stone over there. Pilly Black's party, enough giveaway. People are the big things. Pilly Black's Olympic way. Tower will turn up loud. The 15 people Saturday right after Valentine Day and birthday. Upper in Plaza. Stone Love. And special guests, you don't know. Boom, boom. It's going to turn up loud. Food Cartel, Blacker, the whole of the Macadam, man. Boom. Pilly Black.